Hello, everyone. This is Leslie Chapus, the Vice President of Azenco Outdoor. Today I'm with Kevin Sellmeyer, our Sales Manager for the West Coast. So, welcome, Kevin.
Thanks
Um,
for having me.
yes, it's going to be our first actually session of podcast discussing about different subjects. Maybe, yes, we can start at the beginning, right, Kevin?
Absolutely. Thank you. I'll introduce myself again. I'm Kevin Sellmeyer, and I'm the Western United States Sales Manager covering basically from the Mississippi River to the Pacific Ocean. It's a lot of open territory, but there is a few towns in between. My main focus is helping existing dealers elevate and grow their business and finding and training new dealers in the territory to become successful Azenco dealer installers. So it's a big area, and I try to get around and visit you all, and I will. Basically, I've been in the outdoor living industry in some way for over 20 years, from the landscape side up to working for a dealer that provided Azenco pergolas and other outdoor living products. The trend to move outside and extend everyone's home um, has been going on, like I said, for at least 20 years, but the last 10 years it's really exploded, making outdoor spaces to gather, entertaining spots, outdoor cooking areas, shady areas by the pool. I mean, the possibilities are endless with our product to enhance all these.
And I would say even more after COVID, because outdoor spaces have been a huge thing after that period, and people wants to spend time outside, and so I think it has been even more after that.
Oh, 100%. You could just see it. Everybody's stuck in their home and they're looking outside, finding a way to get out and get in fresh air. And that's really transitioned into on the commercial end, more outdoor dining areas that are where people don't want to be inside. It's been a great expansion, and yes, COVID did help it blow up a little bit.
And what do you think about the quality and what Azenco is doing to fit into that?
Well, everything that we are doing here is 100% basically custom designed or manufactured off the designs of our dealers. So it's not cookie cutter. It's not one thing fits all. We have all these different products to basically find a solution for what you're trying to do, whether it's your home or business, or if you're an apartment developer and just need a gathering place for your tenants. I mean, we have products that we will custom manufacture per your design and color and get out to our dealers for a professional install.
Yes, and I think we have the collection of products we have developed from the past years. We really started with the Louvre Motorized Pergola, the R-Date, which is our main highlight product, because it's really the product that they give the most flexibility and the most feature, where it's going the louvers open and close, so you can create different shades. Of course, it's a product that has been engineered and designed to resist high wind load and snow load. So this is a product you can really install everywhere, and there's a lot of features that can be added to the product, right? So we have light sensors, so you controls the opening and closing automatically. We have the automation as well with the app that can be set up. And all our products are custom, except the cabana that we have developed after the fact, that it's our manual louvered pergola. So it's a product with the same quality that we have at Azenco. Everything is made of aluminum, powder coated, 15 years warranty. It's just a product with a different features, so it's just you don't have all the features that you can have on your RV or motorized. But the cabana, it's a great opportunity as well when you just want to have a freestanding pergola in the backyard, or in an amenity area, in a condo, for instance, and you want to create some shaded area, and you still have the flexibility to open and close the louvers. It's just manual. So you have less feature, but it's a great alternative as well in budget, right? So it's and then you have the other products that we have developed, as well as the R shade with the insulated roof, that provide of full-time shade, uh, with the insulated panels and the arbreeze. Also, that is also a great alternative for partial shade and creating an architectural elements either on the residential and commercial side. And Azenco keep on investing a lot on their innovation. That's really part of who we are, innovating. So we always try to innovate a lot, and also to be able to answering the market needs, right? Because the market change. There is a different budgets, different type of projects. So I think one strength with our product and what we do is that we can be flexible, right? And I'm sure that's a discussion you might have had with some of our dealers and experience that and see that there is so many different projects and specificity that I think our products are a good fit in that. What do you think?
Yeah, I think one thing that proves that point about innovating and coming up with new products is the addition of the canopy this year. I mean, it is a product that we were already manufacturing. It's basically your R breeze or R shade, but instead of sitting on a post, we're using tiebacks and using it as an architectural feature or a cover over an entrance. So it's just another use for a product that we had already had in production, just another way of using it.
Yes, and I think also that the good thing with our product is that they're super easy to install. I mean, we always you design our product to think how difficult it's going to be, for our dealers to install them, right? And we want also the process being smooth for the consumers. We don't they Nobody wants to have somebody sitting 2 weeks, in our backyards to install a pergola. So this is why we pre-drill, we pre-cut, we have millions of dollars of CNC machine in our warehouse that allow us to do majority of the job here. So then the dealer can provide the service of spending time explaining, designing, and then of course they spend time on installation depending on how big is the project, but we have a very short lead time for a custom product, only 3 or 4 weeks, when you have standard color, expecting, a 6 months process when you want to have your pergola done and enjoy your backyard, or covering your restaurant because you have an urgent need. Even if you still have sometimes permitting process, but I'm just talking, for the product. And it's easy to install, so I think it's good for our dealers. We do a lot of training, as you know, and you're part of that. But the way that we manufacture allow them to get the install process smoother, have a durable product that doesn't require a lot of servicing.
Just to add to that a little bit, that was a huge topic when I was in Chicago at the Restaurant Association show, because that question comes up a lot. How long am I going to have to shut down my outdoor dining area while this is getting built? And I would explain the same thing. We're doing the cutting, drilling, and everything at the factory, shipping it out, where it's becoming more of just an assembly process. So we're not shutting you down forever and making tons of noise, getting the structure
Yeah.
up, getting it
Yeah.
functioning, and getting out of the way.
Yeah, that's huge. Yeah, for sure. And I mean, we have seen the demand of, on the outdoor living evolve, and we talked about it a little bit. You mentioned that, but how do you see on your side? Because I know you're talking, every day with the dealers, and how do you see the demand evolving? Do you see things different, or people are asking things differently? What are their main concern, maybe, or expectation?
Now, you know what I'm really seeing is just the whole evolution of the whole outdoor space. If we would look back even 10 years ago, having a nice patio outside was outdoor living. Now that's not even close. You want a gathering area with protection from the sun, or maybe privacy from our privacy panels, pool areas with shade. Outdoor kitchens are huge, and we cover them great. Protect. You can't get rained on when you're out there grilling. Yeah,
Sure. I think I see really that people are looking to have a more complete experience, right? Before you were just having a couch, maybe another kitchen, but now everybody wants to spend as much as they can outside. So they add in a lot of feature, so they have the pergola, they have the kitchen, fire pits, a dining area, the lounging area, a bar, a TV to, enjoy some time with friends, to towards sports gain, spend time with the family. I really see the people expectation are more, I want to have a real lifestyle experience outside, not just, going sometime outside and just sitting, having a drink or whatever. They really want to spend time. And this is why I think our products are very helpful because, as you mentioned, I mean, if it's raining, you cannot enjoy it, and our products protect from that. If there's too much sun, then it's a problem. And then there's a lot of features that can be added to our product, even if we do not manufacture them, but we integrate very well with them, like heaters when it's too cold, and you can enclose the pergola so you actually heating better, or you can add cooling system when it's too hot. You add fan, so there's a lot of things that can be added so you can almost enjoy it all year long.
Yeah, the expectations right now are the homeowners want to be just as comfortable outside entertaining as they are inside their home.
And I think doing those products and at the same time, trying to propose something sustainable, it's even more exciting for us at Azenco. Of course, everything we do is aluminum. We recycle the aluminum. We use also part of our production is recycled aluminum. So we really try to implement internally also a lot of eco-friendly policies, from not printing papers in the company to the material that we use. So we really try to work on that. And we have an amazing partnership also that in line with that with Fortune, right? Since it's the third year that we partner with them, and we Azenco commit every year to finance collection of 25,000 pounds actually in different part of the world to clean oceans. So I think it's also a good way to spend some money at Azenco that it's also used for doing good things for our planet. So I think it's nice.
Yeah, I'm very excited about the opportunity for you to volunteer me to go pick up and help clean the ocean. So,
Okay, I will make sure because we do that internally, and I will make sure for the next beach cleaning you will be part of that.
thank you.
So I think we covered a lot, and I know we're gonna say much more in future episodes. So I don't want to say too much. So we can talk about outdoor living for probably the entire day, right, Kevin? With
Yes.
our, both experience, but I would say so far. This adventure of Azenco has been very exciting from the last years, and in the future, I know a lot of good things will come up. And very happy to have you, of course. We will, of course, in the future episode, bring other topics, discuss about different aspects of the industry. We will have different person interacting with us during those episodes. It could be either people from the company, will be dealers, customers, designers. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, or either Facebook, and make sure we stay connected to see what's coming next. So thank you very much, Kevin, for your time, and thank you for watching the episode.
Well, thanks for having me. I look forward to seeing you all soon.
Yes, thank you.